Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal address. First, you'll want to open your web browser or the PayPal app and securely log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the small gear icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will take you directly to your account settings, where we can find After clicking the settings gear, you'll see various options. Look for a section specifically labeled Email Address or Personal Info. Your PayPal address is simply the primary email address that is linked to your account. This is the email people use to send you money. You might have one or several email addresses listed here. Perhaps you just need a fresh start with your existing channel. Rebranding is an excellent option. You can easily update your channel name, description, profile picture, and banner art through the customization settings in YouTube Studio. This allows you to pivot your content direction and audience focus without losing your subscriber count or channel history. It's like a fresh coat of paint. To receive money, simply provide your primary PayPal email address to the sender. They do not need any other personal information, such as your password or bank details. This email acts as your unique identifier within the PayPal system, making transactions straightforward and secure for both parties. It's a very simple process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.